box for Joe Y. We've got another one. A 2021 Bowman Draft Jumbo. All right, Joe, thanks so much for hopping back in. Good luck. Get some color. Let's get some color this time. Some color bats. Empty. Here we go. We've got orange first out of 25, Landon Marceau. Nice orange first to start off the first pack, Joe. Nice. Marceau out of 25. Round 3 of the 2021 draft. Nice orange. Great start. We've got Mikulski and Spikes refractors. Paper. Got Invicta of Cepetis. Gonzalez and Penango refractors. Base. Got purple to 250, Christian Hernandez paper. And nice, first auto up, Colton Cowser for the Orioles. Here you go, Joe. Nice Cowser. What's up, Rich? Glad you were able to check out the shop. Appreciate you. Nice one there. We'll get that one magged for you. Nakatsi first refractor, Carreras. All right. Got CJ Abrams refractor and Poyu Chin refractor. Paper. Lawler chrome. Got Lonnie White Jr. sky blue. Davis and Solometo. Dallas and Pacheco first refractors. Paper. Sky blue to 499. Nakatsi first. Got refractors of Wilman Diaz and Malcolm Nunez. Paper. We've got Gold Wave for Pittsburgh. Henry Davis! Boom! Wow, what a box so far for you, Joe. Henry Davis Gold Wave to 50. Let's go. Sheesh. Boom, baby. Wow. Love the color match for the Pirates. Beautiful, beautiful card there. First overall draft pick. There you go, Joey. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful card. We will get this one magged for you. It's a second gold Davis auto that I've pulled. Pulled the base gold and now the gold wave. Sick card. Congrats again on that, Joe. Get this magged for you. What a box so far. All right, we've got black refractor, Panzini refractor, paper. You got some nice autos coming to you. You got a Lawler base out of the last box. You got a Kouser base. Now you got a gold. Who do we need now? We need a Job. Meyer. Forgot about him. Veen refractor. Montgomery refractor. All right. Looking for one more auto out of this box. We've got Aqua Lava out of 199 Jefferson Cuero, Brewers. And last auto, we've got a Frank Mazzucato for the Royals. All right, we'll take one pitcher auto after those first two, for sure. For sure, that's all right, I guess. Marceau first refractor, Nelson first refractor. All right. Genesis Colton Kouser. Blue refractor, JJ Bleday. Paper. We've got Aqua to 299, JJ Bleday. Carson Williams Chrome. We've got refractor first, Dominic Hamill, and Reed Trimble. Paper. All right, last pack here for you, Joe. Heck of a box, man. Lawler and Bliss. Refractors, Grossens, and Pena. And paper. All right, that'll do it for you, Joe. Congrats on those that box and those hits. Very nice box. Thanks again for hopping back in. Do appreciate it, and we'll get these right out to you.